Add the video to the timeline. Go to Fusion. Connect a surface tracker node to our video. Go to frame 300 and outline the tracking area. Go to the Mesh tab, set the number of tracking points. Go to Track, set quality to best quality. Start the tracking. Add a text node. Enter the text and connect it to the surface tracker. Choose the font and size. Add a merge node and connect median to it. Add a Luma keyer, connect median and merge to it. Enable invert in the settings. Adjust the transparency. Return to edit. Add zoom and speed ramp effect.